Welcome to my channel. Today, we'll be discussing an interesting topic that's been the backbone of the global financial system for decades. How did the US dollar become the global currency? The story dates back to the end of World War II, and it's a fascinating journey that has shaped the global financial landscape as we know it today. We'll be exploring the key events and factors that led to the US dollar's dominance, including the Bretton Woods system, the petrodollar system, the role of Wall Street, and the stability of the US economy. We'll also discuss the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead for the US dollar, including the rise of China, the development of new technologies, and concerns about the role of the US in the global financial system. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this intriguing topic. And if you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more engaging content on finance and economics. The US dollar's status as the world's dominant currency didn't happen overnight. It was a gradual process that took place over several decades. It all started in 1944, when the leaders of the Allied powers met in Bretton Woods, New Hampshire to plan for the post-war economic order. At the conference, they agreed to establish the International Monetary Fund (IMF) and the World Bank, two institutions that would play a significant role in shaping the global financial system. They also decided to create a new international monetary system based on fixed exchange rates, with the US dollar as the anchor currency. Under the Bretton Woods system, other countries agreed to peg their currencies to the US dollar, which was fixed to gold at a rate of $35 per ounce. This meant that the US dollar was convertible into gold at a fixed price, and other currencies were convertible into US dollars at a fixed exchange rate. The Bretton Woods system worked well for a few decades, but it started to break down in the 1960s. The US was running large trade deficits, and its gold reserves were dwindling as other countries began redeeming their dollars for gold. In 1971, President Richard Nixon announced that the US would no longer convert dollars into gold, effectively ending the Bretton Woods system. After the collapse of Bretton Woods, the US dollar remained the dominant currency in the global financial system. This was partly due to the size and strength of the US economy, but also because of the role that the US played in the global political and military landscape. One reason why the US dollar became the global currency was because of the petrodollar system. In the early 1970s, the US negotiated with Saudi Arabia to price oil in US dollars. Other oil-producing countries soon followed suit, and this meant that countries had to hold US dollars in order to buy oil on the global market. The petrodollar system helped to cement the US dollar's position as the world's dominant currency, as it created a constant demand for US dollars. It also meant that the US had a significant influence on global oil prices and the economies of oil-producing countries. The US dollar also became the preferred currency for international trade and commerce. This was partly due to the stability of the US economy, but also because of the ease of doing business in US dollars. Many international contracts and agreements are still denominated in US dollars, even today. The US dollar's dominance has had a significant impact on the global financial system. It has helped to facilitate international trade and commerce, but it has also created imbalances and vulnerabilities. For example, countries that hold large amounts of US dollars are vulnerable to changes in US monetary policy and the value of the US dollar. The US dollar's dominance has also created a number of challenges for other countries. For example, countries that rely heavily on exports may find it difficult to compete with countries that can devalue their currencies to boost exports. This can lead to tensions and conflicts in the global trading system. Despite these challenges, the US dollar remains the dominant currency in the global financial system. However, there are signs that this could be changing. In recent years, there has been a growing push for alternative currencies and payment systems, particularly in emerging markets. One factor driving this trend is the rise of China as an economic superpower. China has been working to internationalize its currency, the yuan, and has made progress in establishing swap agreements with other countries. It has also launched the Belt and Road Initiative, a massive infrastructure project that aims to boost economic cooperation and trade between China and other countries. Another factor is the development of new technologies, such as cryptocurrencies and blockchain. These technologies have the potential to disrupt traditional payment systems and could offer an alternative to the US dollar-dominated global financial system. There are also concerns about the role of the US in the global financial system. Some countries are worried about the potential for US sanctions and the use of the US dollar as a tool of foreign policy. There are also concerns about the size of the US national debt and the long-term sustainability of the US economy. Despite these challenges, the US dollar is likely to remain the dominant currency in the global financial system for the foreseeable future. This is partly due to the strength and size of the US economy, but also because of the legal and regulatory framework that supports the US financial system. However, it's also clear that the global financial system is evolving, and there may be new opportunities and challenges for investors and businesses in the years ahead. As always, it's important to stay informed and adapt to changing circumstances in order to succeed in the global economy. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this discussion of how the US dollar became the global currency interesting and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.